All right, so lesson 2. What do you make your course about? So the best way to go about this is following your Ikigai, pronounced Ikigai. It's a Japanese concept that means a reason for being. Basically, what will fulfill you in life. So you basically take the intersection of your passions, what you love, your mission, what the world needs, your vocation, what you can be paid for, and a profession, what you're good at. If you find the intersection of all those circles, you'll find a perfect path for you that you can pivot along the way. But as long as you have a true north, you'll be fulfilled, you'll be happy, and you'll be providing value that people want to pay for. Now, after you find your Ikigai and you have an idea, you're not fully locked in yet, we're going to get more narrow, but then you can take that information and then send out some surveys to your audience. Hey, what are you guys having problems with? What can I help you with? Or ideally, what is a problem that you have that you overcame that you can teach someone how to do? Or what is a problem that you're currently struggling with that you can learn how to overcome in real time, research and find the answers, and then turn around and share it with your audience? Then you can jump in other networks, forums, online. There's a ton of opportunities for that, groups. In something that you're enjoying, hey, what kind of problems can I solve? What questions are people asking? Go to online tools like, say, vidIQ, doing YouTube research, and just finding in what people are looking for that there's not a lot of competition putting out videos or content about that you like, that people are searching for, that there isn't any really answers already. Answer the public, same thing. Plug in your niche, plug in your idea, plug in a question, and then find all the other questions that people are asking, and you'll start to fine-tune exactly where you want to go. So here's your exercise for lesson 2. Find your Ikigai, okay? And then fill out your worksheet. But here's the thing. Oh, I don't know how to do this. All you have to do is type it right into ChatGPT and it'll help you out. And ask you all the prompts of the questions, help you flesh out your ideas and arrive at a conclusion. Now, it may not be perfect. It may not be exactly accurate yet, but it'll give you enough information to move on to these next lessons.